guys, welcome back to your girl Brittany, and I'm here to do an unboxing for Kokorosa Studio. I know, you're probably sick and tired of me with all this fun jazz, but I mean, I am just here to show you the pretties and make the pretties so that maybe you too want to make the pretties. So anyway, if you have not seen projects or anything that I've done with Kokorosa Studio or anybody else, I do have a playlist that does that shares all those things, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. Also, if you are not a subscriber already, you know, I would love to have you be part of the BB's crazy family. And also give this video a like. I mean, it won't do you any harm. It'll just, you know, help boost your girl up a bit. But anyway, so let me go ahead and show you some fun things that I got this time around. Look at this pretty flower. Isn't this adorable? It is a layering flower, and I have like one of the cutest ideas with this, so I can't wait to dive in and play with this. You have, what is this, 5 different layers of flowers, so you can go ahead and use all the pieces on one. You can break it up and do smaller flowers or however you want to do it. You don't even have to just base it all off the flower, and I will show you what that project will look like in another video. Like I said, I got an idea for that, so I can't wait to show you. And then this next one here, you guys know I hate cards. Cards are not my life. Cards don't like me. I don't like them, but I try. You know, I try. But this one is a little happy birthday sign, and I figure that this is something quick and easy. I can make a quick little easy base card and cut this out in some pretty paper and throw it on the top of there, and boom, I'm done. So it says happy birthday and then best wishes on this cute little banner. This is all one piece, and so I think this will be adorable. So I can't wait to go ahead and do that, because a girl always needs birthday cards. Now the next one I'm going to show you, I have 2 different styles. I have this ginormous one right here. So this is the mama. This is completely different from what I'm about to show you, but then I have the babies right here. You might even have a cousin or 2 or something, but this one is ginormous, and you have the petals here, and then you have these little spiky pieces. So I'll come back in another video later on showing you how to go ahead and do a rolled flower, as well as with these here. These are really cute. So you have the 3 different sizes. You have the large, medium, and small. Will make great for clusters, for flowers and everything. So I'll come back in another video show you how I go ahead and do that. So the next one here is a cute little type of mailer type of box. So what drew me to this is that I always like to have boxes or send out treat boxes like as a gift, not like with something in it, but just as a gift, so then that way they can store it for later on, for later use. So to have something like a mailer style box to go ahead and mail it flat would be like absolutely awesome. And so you have this window here that you can either leave it here to create a window and use like acetate, or you can remove this piece here and have it completely solid. So I can't wait to play with that one. This next one here, these are leaves. Remember in another video I was talking about I don't really have like leaves or anything or like leaf punches. And I thought this one was really cool. It actually has like holes in it, so it's not like a perfect leaf. It's like tattered kind of deal, because you know not all leaves are perfect. As time goes on, they get a little, you know, rough around the edges and what have you. So we have different styles here, and I can't wait to play with that and see how it comes along. You guys know fall is my favorite, so yes. And then last but not least, we have this lemon die. It comes with the leaves here, and then we have some layering pieces, and you actually could to make this into a shaker. We also have this middle piece here that comes out, and you know when you cut a whole lemon in half, that's what it looks like. So that's what that impression is here. And then you have this piece as if you were to cut it in wedges, and then you have this smaller little lemon here. I'm pretty sure that you can add this maybe to it. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I gotta go back and look. But that is also super adorable. I cannot wait to play with these. I cannot wait to show you guys what I do with them. I had ideas pop into my head as soon as I had saw them, so I can't wait to interpret that and show you guys too. So if you're interested in these at all, I will have the links to all of these down below in the description box, as well as a coupon code. You know your girl, I'm gonna hook you up. And so don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos. Remember, my goal for before the end of the year is to hit 3K. I would absolutely love it. And also give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.